Elephant Man. I know that you linked with TJ Records, and you guys had like a clash. Like I think it was probably 2 songs
Yeah,
on the rhythm that
yeah,
you
yeah,
voiced for
yeah.
TJ. You understand? How did that even come around? Now that clash with you and Elephant Man.
So the beef with me and Elephant and TJ Rhythm, it was supposed to start off as fun, but there's a lot of low blows that throw and him can't manage it. You understand me? But my clap back wicked. So them call truce. I would have stopped it there, but then he was still in this feeling like he want to tell Q that he must make Flippa come around at the studio, and Q said, no, me I run a business place. You can't tell me that cause Flippa come around and him spending money and stuff like that. So it's a lot of them try to lock me out of the business, but Flippa is Flippa. Everybody just knows that Flippa is a jovial person and funny, and me nah like me I try kill nobody, and me not try hurt nobody, and me just a fun person. And anyway, me the people always want to make your crowd. If you notice, like when them used to have wet Sundays, one Flipper pull up, wet
Yeah.
Sundays pack. Me make people spend money who no want to spend money. When people keep party and Flipper there, yeah, people are gonna spend because them no want to look flap. Them no want to look like they nah no money, and they want to compete with me. Always me not compete with me. Nobody them always want to compete with me. That's why I say I care zero.
I'm not gonna lie, you brought a different level of excitement to the dance them and the shows them when you came around. It's like it was a lot more. The music was good, but it was more the theatrics that got
Yes,
everybody
yes.
hype. We're waiting to see you throw out the money, champagne spilling, the whatever. What is Flipper gonna do now? What is he wearing? What is he doing? You brought that level of excitement to the place at one time.
Well, I still got it. You understand? But it's just that I'm more humble right now. I'm still doing music, good music, and me feel like out of all of my peers them from back then, me feel like me I got harder than Wally for them with the new lyrics them on me attack and how me I carry myself same way. Like it's like me never missing. But one thing though that do missing is because true me can't travel right now. Me can't go back to Jamaica right now. And every time when I go to Jamaica, my career go up on a different level because the groundwork have to start from there. Because people abroad always listen about what's popping and what's happening in Jamaica. You understand? But I'm here trying to make a difference because it's a little bit more easier now than back then. Also, because you got TikTok and you got Instagram and you got all these social media platforms. Whereas if TikTok was around or Instagram was big like how it big now back then, them with all our Flipper do back then, them could see me. Talk it truth.
Different. Hold on, but again, as I said, we soon reach there. We're not ready for it. I want to ask you about some producers that you linked with. Even TJ. How did you link with TJ in the first place?
Well, me and TJ link because we in the street and we par uptown and that's the they make rhythm and that's where all of them used to hang out and stuff like that. So me and TJ become friend and cool because maybe just a boss and people So him approach me because we have similar friends. One youth named Fire and they Rambo and we just connect from there and still connect. Right now, me just voice a song for them straight vibes with him named Oh Please, where trust me, it a kick up wave right now.
Yeah. Boardhouse. So even somebody like Boardhouse, because yeah, you're linked with TJ, because you link with them and everything, but even now Boardhouse, 'cause I know you did some work with Boardhouse. How did you connect with them?
So it is funny because Bordeaux is Garrett Campbell, which is Jeffrey Campbell, assassin brother, which me and them are friends a long time before everything. I remember with Shatters, that's where we get even more closer because Garrett used to come as Strudo, him and assassin long time when we go Strudo too. And then when the movie, it was just a joy. And then when we come America, me used to go check Garrett a VP before me even boss. So when me start produce now and get the song now, as Garrett give me him rhythm when me hear. Remember, Assassin they have the song I play upon the rhythm long time. I could have what do them guy they oh them so him give me the rhythm after and then me do the song. That's when me and Q45 a link and me carry the rhythm go get Elephant and tell Elephant said the rhythm me a bad.
Yeah.
And Elephant voice no linger upon the rhythm. Remember? Just to show you how close we is back then. If you remember one ATI, one water party keep, when me and Elephant jump off into the water and bathing and them something, one of the maddest water party, maddest ATI ever. Me and Elephant down there park. Them time them just to the Demian. No real Moggela. Elephant find him biggest song no linger. You understand? So Garrett, that's my brethren from long time. And in the also, me in the camp, me and him an assassin. And a regular elephant caller me assassin even in New York and stuff like that. And anyway, we buck up. But that me I try to tell her like, no, it's kind of little bit different. No, you now see one artists on stage together embrace each other, which is sad,
No, for sure. And we're even talking about your other Porsche. But then again in 2013, it's like, I don't know what it was with you in 2012 and 13. These years were some of your most highs and lows happening all in the same year. 2013, you crashed your Porsche again now. What had happened there, Flippa?
So listen, I was coming from, this is just like we said, it's really some bittersweet moment. So a friend of mine who got deported was keeping a event in
Manchester.
Yeah, somewhere down there. So I go and give him a strength. No money, no nothing. Because him tell him friend him down there, me know Flippa, man, Flippa used to paraffin, blah, blah, blah. Somebody just want to show him some love. So I went down there, and because I bring some female with me that they didn't want it, because I got friend who have guest house right on the corner, I couldn't stay. But I make some female come with me, and I don't want them think that, me trick them for go a country because I want, So me I try make it back at town, because I want to carry them back home. And my way coming back, you go party, you drink, where's you drive for so long, so I'm tired. And when me I come back, I fell asleep. That's what happened. I'm not gonna lose my life, but there's just a lot of lies. I just feel like, and that's one of the reasons why I'm gonna leave also. I would feel like at time too much things that happen,
Too many things going on, because even in that same year there, you were on the that was when P. Diddy came down and kept the Bad Boys class. You were on that one there too.
Yes, definitely. And that was same because of Mr. Leng again. You understand? Yeah.
Yeah. No, as I said, 2013, a lot of stuff was going on. But it was, as I said, highs, crazy highs, being on the show.
Everybody curse me out and tell me, say, I run when my career there at the top of the peak, because, me have the song when I produce it, Movado, call me, $1 million man, me, $1 million man. I'm going to have my song and rhythm. So all who see don't chat me and things, say, me no hear me hear, but me no care. All who say me too hype and things, say me no hear me hear, but me no care. All who say me a inform and things, say me no hear me hear, but me no care. I swear, hear me. Yeah, that was big song. You understand? And then right after that, remember, me have a next rhythm when name Moggela rhythm with the Moggela dance with me and Vicemail and Conscience Vice, the big song for me too. Watch how me living, look how me living, watch how Warren Weir and Usain Bolt, when them win the gold medal, that's what they played. My rhythm, that song. You understand? Even the Marco, me have liquid pan rhythm. So, I was doing some good things, but I think I was impatient.
You're moving too fast.
Yes.
Click here to watch the full episode, and don't forget to subscribe.